Insect activity. Foxglove aphids continue to colonize lettuce here at the Yuma Ag Center. In untreated lettuce plots, the population is spotty, but when we do find them, they can be quite abundant. In one field location, we have found more than 400 aphids on a single plant, with a fair number of winged adults present. As lettuce acreage continue to decline, you should expect to begin finding more winged aphids in the last few fields. This is typical of this aphid species since it tends to be more biologically active under warmer temperatures. However, foxglove aphid is important because it has a tendency to colonize on younger leaves. This often translates into contamination of the heads or hearts of iceberg lettuce, romaine, and celery. The key to effective foxglove aphid and other aphids as well of management with foliar insecticide is to initiate sprays at the time wingless aphids begin to colonize. Of course, this requires diligent scouting and sampling. On all the lettuce, make sure you thoroughly examine developing heads and hearts. Fortunately, PCAs have alternatives for foliar aphid control. For more information, check out the document Foxglove Aphid on Desert Lettuce Crops. On January 16, 2015, the United States EPA announced that Savanto received a Section 3 registration on various commodities and will be available for local PCA sometimes pending state approval from the Arizona Department of Agriculture. According to the EPA, the new insecticide is safe on bees and is expected to be an alternative for more toxic products, including certain pyrethroid, neonicotinoid, and organophosphate insecticides. EPA further stated that laboratory-based studies indicate that the compound is practically non-toxic to adult honeybees. This and more information on Savanto's biological attributes can be found at the EPA website. In my opinion, Savanto will be a good addition to our IPM program and will provide PCAs another alternative for managing sucking insect pests in produce and melon crops. For description on its attributes and fit in desert crops, see New Insecticide Chemistry Savanto, 2015, document provided in our Vegetable IPM update. EPA also recently announced that the manufacturers of the insecticide methomyl, lanate, or Nudrin have agreed to cancel some uses and limit the use on certain crops like lettuce, celery, and peppers to reduce risk to drinking water. Fortunately for desert growers, these changes should not have much of an impact on IPM on our produce crops. According to the EPA's risk mitigation decision, the number of applications of methomyl allowed on head lettuce will be reduced from 15 applications to 12. On leaf lettuce will be reduced from 8 to 6 applications, and celery will be reduced from 10 to 8 applications. Based on our lettuce insect losses survey data over the past 5 years, methomyl is used on average about 40% of the Arizona lettuce acres and applied fewer than twice per field. You can see that on our document Trends in Lettuce Insecticides 2014. Thus, for now, PCAs will not be affected by this label change for methomyl. However, I will be the first to support the importance of methomyl in our desert IPM IRM program crops because of the need to broaden spectrum insect control and the product's role as a key alternative for western flower thrips control. For more information on methomyl, we are providing the EPA website link in the update. Thank you.